Greetings and salutations. I'm Christopher Platt, reporting for Your Black World News with an article from CNN. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and visit theblackbusinessschool.com to learn about financial literacy and how you can grow your business today. Nashville police officer Andrew Delkey has been indicted on a charge of first-degree murder, prosecutors said, after a video showed him shooting a black man in the back as he ran away. Delkey, 25, is accused of killing 25-year-old Daniel Hambrick last July in North Nashville. He had initially been charged with criminal homicide, which includes murder, voluntary manslaughter, and criminal neglect homicide under Tennessee law. The Nashville-Davidson County District Attorney's Office announced the indictment Friday in a case that has sparked outrage among residents and the creation of a police accountability board. Delkey was charged after authorities released surveillance footage that showed Delkey, who's white, chasing Hambrick, who's black, until the officer aims his gun. Hambrick falls to the ground within seconds. The officer has argued that he saw Hambrick holding a gun and asked him to drop it as both men were running, a warrant states, adding that Delkey said Hambrick did not drop his weapon. Authorities said they recovered a handgun from the scene. Delkey's attorney, David Lewis Rabin, said his client plans to plead not guilty. Officer Andrew Delkey will continue to defend himself on the basis that he acted in accordance with his training and Tennessee law in response to an armed suspect who ignored repeated orders to drop his gun, Rabin said. While no citizen looks forward to a trial on allegations such as this, Officer Delkey and his defense team will trust in the jury system, Rabin said. Delkey, who's on administrative assignment while the criminal case is pending, is expected to be arraigned later this month, a district attorney's office spokesman said. Hambrick's killing and the 2016 shooting death of another black man by another officer prompted the creation of a community oversight board in Nashville. An amendment for its creation was approved during the November election, and the city is interviewing nominees for its board. The incident began as officers with the department's juvenile task force, including Delkey, were looking for stolen vehicles in North Nashville, the warrant states. Officers said they saw a car several miles away driving in an quote-unquote erratic pattern, the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation said last month. According to the warrant, Delkey became suspicious when a white Chevrolet Impala stopped at a stop sign and conceded the right-of-way by not pulling out in front of him. Delkey ran the car's license plate, the warrant says, and found the Impala was not a stolen vehicle. But the officer followed the vehicle anyway, quote, to see if it could develop a reason to stop the Impala, end quote. Eventually, Delkey lost track of the car, the warrant states. While searching, he mistook a different white four-door sedan for the Impala in the parking lot of an apartment building. As the officer pulled up, Hambrick began to run, and Delkey chased him on foot, even though Delkey had no reason to believe Hambrick was connected to any stolen vehicles, the warrant says. In pursuit, Delkey saw a gun in Hambrick's hand, according to the warrant. The officer gave Hambrick several verbal commands, including, "Drop the gun or I'll shoot," it states. Delkey decided to fire when Hambrick kept running and didn't drop the gun, the warrant states. The officer fired 4 times, the warrant says. Hambrick was struck in the back of the head, the back, and the left torso, with a 4th bullet hitting a nearby building. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to share this video and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Your Black World YouTube channel and visit theblackbusinessschool.com today. I'm Christopher Platt reporting. Until next time, shalom.